ChloeCamilleMontreal.com offers an outstanding and deeply refined fashion experience that truly reflects elegance, sophistication, and a strong sense of modern style, making it a brand that immediately feels premium and trustworthy. From the moment you engage with the website, everything, from the visual presentation to the thoughtfully curated collections, demonstrates a clear commitment to quality and aesthetic excellence. The designs feel timeless yet contemporary, striking a beautiful balance that allows each piece to remain stylish beyond fleeting trends, while still feeling fresh and relevant. Every garment showcased appears carefully crafted, with attention given to fine details, flattering silhouettes, and luxurious finishes that elevate the overall look and feel of the collection. The choice of materials suggests comfort, durability, and refinement, giving customers confidence that they are investing in pieces that will last and remain elegant over time. What makes Chloe Camille Montreal particularly impressive is the brand's ability to evoke confidence and effortless sophistication, creating fashion that feels both empowering and wearable for a wide variety of occasions. Whether styled for daily wear, professional settings, or special moments, the pieces radiate versatility and grace. The website itself enhances the experience by being clean, organized, and visually calming, allowing the products to speak for themselves while making browsing and shopping feel smooth and enjoyable. The brand's identity feels authentic and well-defined, appealing to those who appreciate subtle luxury rather than loud or fast fashion. ChloeCamilleMontreal.com embodies a sense of intentional design, thoughtful craftsmanship, and refined taste, presenting fashion that aligns with confidence, individuality, and elegance. Overall, the brand leaves a lasting positive impression as a destination for high-quality, beautifully designed clothing that seamlessly blends comfort, style, and sophistication, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking elevated fashion with a timeless appeal.